Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're watching How to X AI.
In this video, I'll be introducing you to an incredible AI tool that can generate video copywriting in text-to-speech. This tool has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. It's incredibly easy to use and provides amazing results. The best part is that it's completely free. Yes, you can access all the features I'm about to show you without spending a single penny.
But before we dive in, I want to take a moment to express my appreciation for your time and attention. Creating these videos takes a lot of effort, so if you find the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and a comment below. Your support means a lot to me and helps me create more valuable content in the future. Thank you for being a part of this community.
To get started, open KreadoAI.com website and complete the registration process. I'll provide the link in the description. Typically, you'll need to create an account using your email or Gmail to access the services. Now let's talk about how to use the AI video and avatar generator. You can access the tool dashboard and navigate to the Oral Broadcast Video Creation menu. There, you'll be prompted to select your preferred language, voice character, tone, and language style.
If you need assistance generating text content for your video, you can utilize the AI copywriting tool. Alternatively, you may use your own text. Once you've inputted your desired content, you can audition the audio results. If you're satisfied with the voiceover, you can proceed to select your preferred AI avatar model. There's a wide range of models available, categorized into regions like the US and Europe, Asia, Japan and Korea, Southeast Asia, India, and the Middle East. You'll surely find an appropriate fit for your project. After making your selection, simply click the Generate Video button to start the rendering process.
Once the video is complete, you can download the video, subtitles, and audio for free. Now, let us move on to the free AI copywriting tool. Begin by visiting the tool's homepage and selecting the AI Marketing Copy Generation menu option.
Next, enter your target keyword and provide a brief explanation of the content you wish to create in the text description section. Choose your target language and the maximum amount of text you'd like the tool to generate. Click the Generate Copy button to initiate the content generation process. Review the results and select the best option. When you've chosen the best result, click the Copy button to copy the content to your clipboard.
To utilize the free text-to-speech AI tool, start by navigating to the tool's homepage and selecting the AI text dubbing option. Choose your desired language and character tone, and paste the text you want to convert to speech into the designated text content section. You can also use the built-in AI copywriting tool for content creation if needed. After inputting your desired text and making any necessary selections, click the Audition button to preview your audio output. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Confirm button and download your audio file.
Are you interested in learning more about AI? Look no further than the How to X AI channel. Our channel offers free and informative content on all things AI, from beginner-level introductions to advanced tutorials and updates on the latest AI developments. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and stay up to date on the newest AI trends. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Subscribe to the How to X AI channel today.